This is episode 4 of Data Protection Explained, a series of 5 videos presenting core data protection principles to provide you with a basic overview of EU data protection law. In this video, we will cover individuals' data protection rights and special categories of personal data. Data subjects are individuals whose personal data is processed. Data subjects must always be informed about how their personal data will be used. This information should be concise, easy to understand, and readily accessible. Ideally, it should be included in a data protection notice published on the website of the organization processing your data. As a data subject, you have the right to request access to and receive a copy of your personal data. You also have the right to have your personal data corrected and, in some cases, deleted. If you believe your personal data is processed unlawfully, you have the right to lodge a complaint with a supervisory authority. EU data protection legislation also covers special categories of personal data, which include data about your ethnicity, religion, sexual orientation, or health, and are subject to stricter rules. Let's use an example on health data to illustrate. When William was at university, he participated in a clinical trial for money. The trial's purpose was to test alternative applications of an HIV drug. Years later, William donates blood at a hospital. When asked about his medical history, William tells the nurse that he took an HIV drug during a clinical trial. The nurse entered this information into the hospital's database. Later, William receives an email notifying him that due to his condition, he can no longer donate blood. William believes the hospital database flagged his use of an HIV drug and automatically assumed he has HIV. William finds the hospital's data protection notice online, explaining that he has the right to correct his personal data and that he can contact the hospital's data protection officer to do so. However, the hospital does not reply within the 1-month deadline, so William files a complaint with his National Data Protection Authority. The National Data Protection Authority investigates and collaborates with the hospital to ensure William's data is corrected so he can continue to donate blood for people in need. In our next episode, we will cover automated decision-making, as well as data breaches and data transfers. Stay tuned!